Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I bring you a new project called Rocky Rabbit. Now Rocky Rabbit is a very good project Telegram game that they're going to do the airdrop very soon, and you can earn up to $200, even $500 from this project. It's similar to Hamster Combat, but it has its own unique features. And the reason why I like this Rocky Rabbit, like, they don't waste time. They have a straight roadmap, and they are going to be listing this month, September. All you need to do is just your Telegram app and to perform some simple tasks every day to qualify for this airdrop. I'm going to show you everything you need to do right now. But we check their page here. It says exciting news: Rocky Rabbit to be listed on Mex official and BingX exchanges on September 23rd. So basically, this month, September, they are going to be listing this coin, and they are going to probably do the airdrop too this month. So we have just less than 3 weeks to farm this project. If you have not started, the link is going to be in the description. Click the link in the description and it's going to bring you right here. So let me show you exactly everything you need to do to get the most out of this airdrop. Now, this is Rocky Rabbit. So the first thing you need to do is to increase your profit per hour. As you can see here, I have 50 million coins. I am in the Vanguard tournament. Now this tournament is like the leagues in Rocky Rabbit. So you are going to be starting from all the way from the smallest, which is newcomer tournament. Then you level up to freshman tournament, then Ember tournament, then Spectre tournament, then Enigma tournament, then Arcane tournament, then Apex tournament, then Vanguard tournament, then Zenith tournament, then Titan. So Titan is the highest tournament. Now, basically, the higher you go in this tournament, the higher your airdrop allocation. Another thing that will determine your airdrop is your total end right here. So you're going to determine how much, and also your income, your profit per hour. So you are just starting. Choose here, select a sponsor. I chose Bybit. You can choose any sponsor. Then just fill in the simple details. Now, if you come to earn here, there are daily tasks you should do here. I'm going to show you how to do this daily tasks. Then all these other tasks, make sure you complete them. They are always updating new tasks, so complete the tasks. Now, daily tasks, this one, Enigma, they give you 2.5 million every day for this one. All you need to do is to arrange the codes, like the face in the correct order. Now, to get the correct order, you can go to Twitter. Go to Twitter, search for Rocky Rabbit Enigma, Rocky Rabbit Daily Enigma, or Rocky Rabbit Suite is right here. So there are people that do it and post it. So now somebody has posted this one. So this is where you arrange the words in correct order, and then you claim your 2.5 million coins. Also, there's like a daily combo too. This is the one for today, and also there's a what we call Easter eggs. It's right here. So if you come to N, this is the Enigma superset, which is the daily combo, and then Easter eggs. So those are the things. So you can just go to Twitter, or you can join my link to my community on WhatsApp. We used to post it every day. So if you join my WhatsApp group, you can be getting this daily combo. So make sure you're getting into that. You can be upgrading the cards. Now, how do you upgrade the cards? You come here to mine, and you upgrade these cards. Now you see, check very well, I'm in level 8 in all of these cards. And see my tournaments. I've completed newcomer, freshman. I've completed the tournament. I'm right now in Vanguard tournament. So your aim is to get to this Titan tournament before the end of the airdrop, right, which is this month. So do your best, level up as much as you can. If you have not started, you can still start. You can still do much more. Like, you can still do a lot in this airdrop project. Now, how do you level up? When you have your coins, you just click on it like this, then you upgrade. But I've already upgraded it now, so I can't upgrade yet until I've completed this tournament, this Vanguard tournament. So when you complete Vanguard tournament when I complete Vanguard tournament to level 10, now I'll start again from here. I'll click on it and upgrade. You have to upgrade everything linearly, like this one first, nutrition first, then supplement second, then warm up third, technical fourth, like that to the end. Then you come to coach, you upgrade teaching basic, physical, like that to the end. Then for you now come to tournament and now upgrade it over here. When you get level 10 in tournament, then you go back to fighter and start upgrading again. So that's basically how it works. Then also make sure you come over here to claim every day, every 24 hours. You see here, this is 2 hours, 12 hours, 3 hours to claim all these stuffs. So they used to give you some things. Then over here in venture, you can also upgrade these guys. So they also give you some extra profit per hour. As upgrading your cards, you are getting more profit per hour. So this one is giving me 386 profit per hour. So and I'll upgrade everything the same number. You see, I'm always in level 10. So when I'm ready, I'll upgrade everything to level 11, level 12, like that. Just like everything is over here. So that's basically it for this airdrop, guys. We are doing this every day. Also, you log in every day to claim your coins. So profit per hour. So if you come over to boost here, you can do your daily boosts. You get free energy just like hamster. You tap, get this one. I don't really tap much like that. Then you come over here to hourly income limit. So my income limit now is 7 hours. Is it 7 hours? Yes. So basically when you just start, it will be 3 hours. So you can increase your hourly limit so that you can just be coming in every 7 hours instead of every 3 hours, right? That's basically where my own is right now. And basically increase your level, which is your tournament. So the higher you are in your tournament, the more you can get from this airdrop, and also the higher you are in this total amount earned, the more you can get from this airdrop. So I wish you guys the best of luck in this airdrop. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video.